Black Friday is upon us. I've been writing my Black Friday shopping list. I'm looking for holiday gifts and meaningful and important items for my house. I hope you guys have been doing the same thing. Now, of course, I am standing here to tell you the best possible news I could, and that is Makers Clean is having a massive Black Friday sale. So I really hope that you write Makers Clean on your Black Friday shopping list as well. And here's why. We are having the biggest sale we've ever had. I am surprised that we even decided to do a sale this size, but we ended up deciding to do it because we have all of this new inventory coming in for 2019. We have some really exciting stuff, some new product coming in, and we needed to clear our shelves. So that's why we're doing this sale. It is 40% off the entire store. So if you go to makersclean.com, you do not need a coupon code. All you have to do is pick what you want, add it to your cart, check out, and it is yours for 40% less. Now, last Black Friday, we just had a 25% off sale and we sold out before Cyber Monday. So if you were thinking about getting your cloths, but you didn't want to do it because you thought they were too expensive, now's your time. We've got links for you down below to visit makersclean.com, but of course you can just hit up the website. Remember, you do not need a coupon code, and I assure you, we will sell out before Cyber Monday. So if you want them, get them now. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday weekend. Enjoy all of that shopping, and I'll see you soon.